4 of these screws right here. Let's get a flat headed screwdriver and let's pop this thing out. And then right there, and we're going to just pull it out. Pull this thing out. And right there. Before, and I'll be right back. Okay, there goes for the screws. Okay, and all you gotta do is pull this thing out.
Or you play these regulations. Okay?
Okay, and just put the light wire and the speaker wire right there. Just, and there's a piece for down there. Okay, then all you gotta do is just try to yank this piece right here. Pop. Same thing as the Model 3. This is the Model Y. So it's kind of slowly yank it up. Okay, all you gotta do is just yank this piece off like this. And here's the side piece. Here's the inside of the Model Y in the side. And all you gotta do is screw out this screw right here. It's a little ratchet. This is 1/4. And put it right there and screw. Now you gotta just screw the screw out. Okay, this cover is right here. Just take this cover off. And here's the filter right here. Okay, and then all you gotta do is yank this filter right here, the stock filter. It's like this. And the second one is right in the bottom. This thing here. Pull it out. And then we're placing this to the HEPA filter. The same thing as the stock. White right there. This is the stock, and this is the one we're going to replace. And the back is different with the yellow. And this is like rocks in there, as you see. And brings more cool air. And plus we have the virus, brings more fresh air into it. And all we have to do is just put this towards to the front. Same thing as the 3. And just replacing this, put it, just stuck it in. And make sure to drop all the way down. Right there. There we go. And just push that thing down. And the second one, same thing. Stuff this in here. And stuff in there. And all set. And then we just have to cover it like this. And you just put that screw back right. There. Okay. And here's the bottom, the Model Y. See right here, it's much hole, a hole right here. Hosed by these little clips right here. All you gotta just pop it out, and that's it. And then all you gotta do is just pop it in, push it back in. That's it.